search the various types of information available through the GHC library, you have many options. I'm going to discuss the quick and simple Primo search located in the middle of the library webpage in the Search for Information box, under the Search Everything tab. You can search all resources, which is the default, or you can limit your search to only items that are available online. All sources. This search covers all source types that are accessible from the library. Books, both print and electronic, that's ebooks, magazines, newspapers and journals, DVDs, and streaming videos, that's videos that are available online. The online-only sources option, this search will mix all source types, but only give you the ones available online. So that takes out any of our printed or physical items like books or DVDs that we house in our library. Select what you want, and then it will do a keyword search. Primo will automatically assume that you want "and" between your words. But you can use all of the Boolean operators. They must be in all caps, and of course don't forget to use quotation marks for phrases. Let's do a sample search to see what the results would look like. I'm going to do a search for global warming. At first, let's do it without quotation marks, just global warming. So it's going to automatically assume "and" between the words. Global and warming, that's the default. If we do it like that, way too many results. Even with both words found in the items, it's too much. The words could be pages apart, but if they are there, it will find them. We got too many things to deal with here, so let's try in quotation marks. This way we're going to get a much more manageable set of results. Okay, this is still pretty huge, as you can see, so you'd want to narrow it down. What do you want to know about global warming? You should add in some additional keywords. But for now, let's just look at the results and see what the lists look like. As you scroll through the list, you can see pretty clearly that the resource types, books, videos, articles, are labeled. There are the nice icons and text telling you what types of source there are in your results. Items that are located in our library, such as a book on our shelf, should say "available in Maine," unless it's checked out, and we'll show you the call number. Anything that shows the View Online link can be accessed from on or off campus, but off campus you will need to log in, of course. In addition to the View Online link, you may see options for item details, which tells you more about the item, or other access options. This is in case we have it in more than one subscription or more than one format. If several of our databases have access to the same journal article, for example, you can get choices of how to access it. If we happen to have a print book and the same as an ebook, you'll see multiple versions found. And you can click the title or the View Versions link to see both options. Along the left sidebar, you have choices for refining your search. The best ones to make sure you notice here are the ability to limit yourself to peer-reviewed journals and limit your date ranges. So if you need things for a certain date or period of time, you can do that. This can all be done here after you've got search results. You did your first initial search, and now you've got more choices to refine. There's also an advanced search form. Here you can add parameters to your search to focus more specifically. You can choose where you want your search words to be found, any which is your keyword search, in the title, author, or subject. You can also limit your dates here at the start of your search. In the upper right, you'll find some housekeeping items like help and chat with a librarian. There's also the ability to save your searches or items to an eShelf once you log in. You can also check your library account to see what you have checked out, and renew books if you'd like. And that's a brief tour of the Primo search. It's pretty easy to use, and it's a good place to cast a wide net on your topic and get started on your research.